Welcome to Infinimind Mind Crafters. In this video, we're going to unlock the secret behind Elon Musk's groundbreaking success, first principles thinking. You'll discover how this powerful problem-solving method has allowed Musk to challenge conventional wisdom, innovate across industries, and achieve the seemingly impossible. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how Musk uses first principles thinking but also learn practical steps to apply this transformative approach in your own life, helping you tackle complex challenges and create breakthrough solutions.
That's good! Breakthrough!
First principles thinking is about breaking down a problem into its most basic, undeniable truths, its first principles. Rather than relying on analogies or what has worked before, you ask, what are the fundamental parts of this problem? What is it really made of? By doing this, you can see opportunities that others miss and create solutions that are truly innovative. Elon Musk is a visionary entrepreneur and engineer whose groundbreaking work has redefined multiple industries. As the CEO of SpaceX, Tesla, and Neuralink, Musk's ambition stretches from revolutionizing space travel to transforming sustainable energy in advancing human-computer interfaces. Known for his relentless drive and innovative approach, Musk embodies the spirit of pushing boundaries and challenging the impossible. His success is deeply rooted in his use of first principles thinking, a method that breaks down complex problems to their most fundamental truths, enabling unprecedented breakthroughs in technology and beyond. I think it's important to reason from first principles rather than by analogy. The normal way we conduct our lives is we reason by analogy. With analogy we are doing this because it's like something else that was done, or it is like what other people are doing. With first principles you boil things down to the most fundamental truths and then reason up from there. Elon Musk. So, how can you use first principles thinking in your own life? Start with these steps. Identify assumptions.
That's quite an assumption.
List out everything you assume about the problem. Break down the problem. Strip the problem down to its core components, its most basic truths. Whether you're trying to innovate in business, solve a complex challenge at work, or even tackle personal goals, first principles thinking can help you see beyond the obvious and create breakthroughs. Imagine you're trying to reduce the cost of a monthly expense, such as your grocery bill, which currently feels too high. Step 1. Identify assumptions. Assumption: I need to buy brand name products for quality.
Wrong.
Assumption: I must shop weekly to keep fresh food.
Wrong.
Step 2. Break down the problem. Break down your grocery list into categories: fresh produce, pantry staples, meats, etc. Analyze what drives up costs, brand choices, frequency of shopping, food waste. Step 3. Explore new solutions.
Fortunately, there are solutions.
Consider buying in bulk for non-perishables to reduce cost per unit. Explore local markets for fresh produce, which might be cheaper. Try generic or store brand products, often identical in quality to name brands but cheaper. Experiment with meal planning to minimize waste and unnecessary purchases. By questioning assumptions and breaking the problem down to its basic elements, you can rebuild a more cost-effective shopping strategy tailored to your needs. The same approach transformed Tesla.
Why Tesla?
The high cost of batteries was a major barrier to affordable electric vehicles. But Musk again turned to first principles. By dissecting the cost structure and focusing on the fundamental chemistry of batteries, Tesla developed more efficient production methods and innovative battery designs.
Innovation.
This approach has helped Tesla lead the electric vehicle market, pushing the world closer to a sustainable future. You get paid in direct proportion to the difficulty of problems you solve. Elon Musk. Imagine trying to solve a puzzle. Most people might start by looking at the picture on the box, but first principles thinking is like turning the pieces over and examining their shapes, colors, and how they fit together.
Jigsaw puzzles that need fitting together.
It's about understanding the fundamental elements before you even think about the bigger picture. Take SpaceX, for example. When Musk first entered the aerospace industry, the cost of building rockets was astronomical, literally.
Astronomical.
Expensive.
Conventional thinking said,
That's the way it is!
But Musk didn't accept that. Instead, he broke the problem down to its first principles. He asked, What are the raw materials required for building a rocket? To his surprise, they were only a fraction of the total cost. The solution? Build reusable rockets and optimize the production process. The result? SpaceX reduced launch costs dramatically, making space exploration more accessible than ever before.
Genius.
I think it's very important to have a feedback loop, where you're constantly thinking about what you've done and how you could be doing it better. Elon Musk. Let's put this into practice. Think of a challenge you're facing right now. Write down everything you assume about it, no matter how basic.
Write it down.
Now, question each assumption. What happens if you remove it? What new solutions emerge? This is the power of first principles in action. Musk's approach isn't just about breaking down problems, it's about resilience. When he encounters obstacles, he doesn't see them as failures but as data points in a larger experiment. This mindset is crucial when applying first principles thinking. Persistence and adaptability are key to turning challenges into breakthroughs. I take the position that I'm always to some degree wrong, and the aspiration is to be less wrong. Elon Musk. To see this in action, let's analyze a real-world case. Imagine you're an entrepreneur looking to cut costs in product manufacturing. Traditional thinking might lead you to tweak the process slightly, but first principles thinking challenges you to ask, what if we could eliminate or redesign entire steps?
Redesign my face.
This approach could lead to innovative production techniques, lower costs, and a competitive edge. Don't just take our word for it. Experiment with first principles thinking in your daily life. Start small. Whether it's optimizing your morning routine or tackling a project at work, break it down to the basics, question everything, and rebuild it from the ground up. You'll be surprised at how often the best solutions are the simplest ones. The only rules are the ones dictated by the laws of physics. Everything else is a recommendation. Elon Musk. We're not the only ones who see the power in this approach. Experts across various fields, from science to business, have recognized first principles thinking as a critical tool for innovation. By adopting this mindset, you're not just following in the footsteps of Elon Musk, you're joining a community of forward thinkers pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Remember, first principles thinking isn't just a tool, it's a transformative mindset. By continuously questioning and rebuilding, you're training your mind to see beyond the obvious and uncover opportunities that others miss.
Training.
I can do this.
This isn't just about problem solving, it's about shaping the future, one fundamental truth at a time. If you found this video insightful, make sure to subscribe. Like and share your thoughts in the comments below. Join us on this journey to explore the minds of innovators and apply their wisdom to your life. Remember, innovation starts with questioning the impossible.
Who says it's impossible?
To truly think and feel like Elon Musk, it's not just about understanding his methods, it's about reprogramming your mind to adopt his mindset.
Reprogram!
We've created another video on our channel specifically designed to help you do just that. Through the power of affirmations, you can train your brain to embrace Musk's relentless curiosity, resilience, and innovative thinking.
I gotta see this. I'm in.
By repeating these affirmations daily, you can begin to align your thought patterns with those of one of the most visionary minds of our time. Be sure to check it out and start your transformation today.
Mind Crafters.
Mind Crafters.
We create, innovate,